Dear students, I am Devinder Maths sir. Now you can see your class 9th Maths. Now you can see here dividing polynomials. How can you divide? It is very easy problems. Now I am taking it. See, divide the polynomial 3x cube plus x square plus x by the monomial x. We have studied in the 8th class or 7th class monomials, polynomials. See, what is the given polynomial 3x cube plus x square plus x division x? That means I am writing in this way. See, you know that. How can you represent? See, 3x cube by x plus x square by x plus x by x. Can we write or not? Yes, we are applying. C, 3x cube by x plus x square by x plus x by x. Yes or no? Yes. Now we can see 3x cube by x means here x for 1x, here also 1x will be cancelled. If it is 1x cancelled, you will get here x square or not. That means can I write directly 3x square? Here x square by x means you will get only x. Why I am writing here? See, in the previous classes we have learned a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. That means 2 minus 1 how much? Here x means x power 1 or not? 2 minus 1 means how much? X power 1 only. Here see, for x here also x cancel 1 times. That means we are getting is how much? That means 3x square plus x plus 1. This is your answer. See, this is the dividend. Once you can observe, this is the dividend or not? Yes. This will be divisor or not? Yes. We are getting, see, it is the quotient or not? Yes. Are you getting any remainder? We are not getting any remainder. Yes or no? We are not getting any remainder. That means here, see, x is a factor. X is a factor of 3x cube plus x square plus x or not? Yes. In this way, once again you can see 3x cube plus x square plus x division x. We can do another way also, but once you can see, just now I told that it is a factor or not. That means each and every term having x common as not. Here x square, here x cube. That means can I take here x as common? Yes. If I am taking x as common, once you can see here 3x square, we can write inside how much? 3x square. Yes or no? 3 into x square into x cube plus x square I taken as x is common. That means internal you have only x. Yes or no? Here x I taken common. That means x1 is x only. See here 3x square into x, 3x cube, x into x, x square, x into 1, x only. By division x cancel. See, you are getting 3x square plus x plus 1 or not. You can do anyway, but you are getting quotient is 3x square plus x plus 1 only. Yes or no? Here remainder is 0. So that already you know in the previous problems we have discussed how can you write here dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. How can you just see? I am taking here one example as the numbers. See, for example, I am taking 13 division 6. 13 division 6. How can you do? See here 13 division 6. 13 by 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12 or not? Yes. 6 2 ja 12 means how much is remainder? 0 or sorry 1 is or not? Here 1 is the remainder. 6 is the divisor. 2 is the quotient. 13 is the dividend or not? That means once you can observe here 13 can be written as 6 into 2 or not? Yes. 6 into 2 plus 1 or not? Yes or no? 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 how much? 13 or not? So that only in the previous classes we have learned 13 means it is dividend. Here divisor into quotient plus remainder. I hope you may understood this one. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 13 or not? That means here divisor into quotient plus remainder, you will get the result as dividend or not? Yes. We can do the problems very easily. Everyone should be remember dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now you can see a remainder theorem. This is very important. See, let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. The p of x degree is equal to how much? It is equal to 1 or greater than 1. And let a be any real number. Let a be any real number If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is equal to p of a only. That means here, if it is x minus a, the remainder is p of a. That means already you have discussed in the previous one. How can you find the 0 of x minus a? Just you can equate to 0 or not. X minus a is equal to 0 means x is equal to, if I am transposing a to RHS, you will get 0 plus a or not. That means x is equal to a or not. What they have mentioned here, linear polynomial, that will be written as the remainder. See, if it is x plus a, you can take here p of minus a. Remember, so that only you can remember here, if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Now we will see examples problems. Find the remainder when x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. See, once you can observe here, x plus 1. What is the 0 of this polynomial? First you can find the 0 of the polynomial. That means how can you find x plus 1 is equal to 0 or not? See, x plus 1 is equal to 0. First we can equate to 0. After that you can transpose 1 to RHS. Then will you get x is equal to minus 1 or not? Yes, you will get x is equal to minus 1. That means here, what you are getting the value of x, you can substitute in the given polynomial. What is the p of x? You can take here p of x is equal to x cube plus 1. What is the 0 of this polynomial? Minus 1. Yes or no? You can substitute here only. See, the 0 of the linear polynomial x plus 1 is minus 1. See, just you can replace x by minus 1. How much you are getting? You can write here. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 1. Minus 1 whole cube plus 1. That means here minus 1 whole cube is how much? Here the power is how much? Odd number. So you are getting negative symbol only. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is how much? 0 only. So see here. So by the remainder theorem, we know that x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1 gives the 0 as remainder or not? You are getting 0 is the remainder or not? If you are getting 0 is the remainder, it is the factor or not? 100% it is a factor. See, can you say x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1? It is 100% factor. Why? Because whenever you are getting 0 is the your remainder, that will be a factor of the given polynomial. That means you can see, remember here, x plus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 1. Now you can see here exercise 2.3. First question, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by the following linear polynomials. First I taken, what is your given polynomial? X plus 1. We need to divide this one. See, first I am taking what is the given polynomial? Let p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. First you need to find the 0 of this polynomial. First you need to find the 0 of the polynomial. Which one? X plus 1. Already have learned in the previous exercises how to find the 0 of the polynomial. Just equate to 0 or not. We can equate to x plus 1 is equal to 0 or not. Yes, so that only you can see here. To find the 0 of polynomial x plus 1, we should equate it to 0. That means here x plus 1 is equal to 0. You can transpose 1 to RHS. It will become 0 minus 1. That means minus 1 only. Yes or no? X is equal to minus 1. You can substitute x is equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. That means here we need to find here p of minus 1 only. If you are finding p of minus 1, your answer will be completed. So replace x by minus 1. See, p of x is equal to how much? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. P of minus 1 means wherever x is available, you can just write minus 1. That means can I write here minus 1 whole cube? Yes, here 3 into minus 1 whole square. Okay, next here 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Is it okay? Just I am substituting x is equal to minus 1 only. You know that minus 1 whole cube. See, minus 1 whole cube means once you can see 3 is the odd number or even number? Odd number. So that you will get negative symbol as your result. That means minus 1 plus 3 into, see here 2 is a positive number or not, sorry, it is a even number or not. If it is even number, you will get plus. Why? Because just you can check it. Minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1 or not? Yes. Directly you can take plus 1. See here 3 into minus 1, I am writing here minus 3. Yes or no? 3 1 ja 3 only. Plus into minus, minus only, minus 3 plus 1. See here minus 1, 3 1 ja 3 only, here plus into minus, minus 3 only, plus 1, how much? See, now you can, if it is possible, you can simplify it. See, plus 3 minus 3, can I cancel? Yes. Minus 1 plus 1, can I cancel it? That means you can see here, P of minus 1 is equal 0 or not? Yes, P of minus 1 is equal 0. In this problem, they are asking only remainder. Here, remainder is how much? 0 only. Remainder 0. You can write here, the remainder is equal to 0. The remainder is equals 0 is your answer. Now you can see here second one, x minus 1 by 2. We need to divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 with which one? Monomial x minus 1 by 2. See here, first you need to find the 0 of this polynomial. How can you find this 0 of polynomial? Just we should equate to 0 or not. So that only I written here. To find the 0 of polynomial x minus 1 by 2, we should equate it to 0. That means x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Just you can transpose 1 by 2 to RHS. See, it is minus 1 by 2. It will become plus 1 by 2 or not? Yes. You will get here 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 means it is 1 by 2 only or not? Yes. After getting 1 by 2, x is equal, you can just substitute 1 by 2 in this polynomial. See here I am writing for this purpose only. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. P of 1 by 2. We need to write here P of 1 by 2. That means here x cube. X cube means, can I write here 1 by 2 whole cube or not? Yes. Plus 3 into x square means you should write here 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Now you can simplify here. See, 1 cube is how much? 1 only. By 2 cube is how much? 8. See here 3 into 1 square is how much? 1 only. 2 square is how much? 4. Now see here 1 square is 1. 2 square is how much? 4 plus 3 1 ja 3 by 2 plus 1. Now see here all these are like fractions, unlike fractions, unlike fractions. How can you do? See here I am writing here 1 by 8, 3 1 ja 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. These are all unlike fractions. So how can you simplify? Just you can find the LCM. 8 4 2. See here I am doing LCM of 2 4 8. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8 only. In this way you can write here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That means your LCM is how much? LCM is equal 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. That means only I am doing it, see, by 8. I didn't first of all 8. Now you can see, first you can divide LCM with the denominator. You can divide LCM with which one? Denominator. 8 division 8, you are getting 1 or not? That means 1 1 ja 1 only. Place, you need to divide 8 with 4. 4 2 ja 8 or not? That means 2 is the quotient or not? Yes. 2 3 ja 6. Place 2 4 ja 8. Yes or no? 2 4 ja 8 means 4 3 ja 12 plus here 1 means it is divided, denominator is 1 or not? That means 1 8 ja 8 only. That means 8 1 ja 8. Now you can do addition. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. Yes or no? 27 by 8. See, that means remainder is equal to how much? P of 1 by 2 is equal to 27 by 8. This is your answer. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. You know how to convert mixed fraction. 8 3 ja 24 or not? 8 3 ja 24. Remainder is how much? 3. That means I am writing here 3 3 by 8 is your answer. You can write 27 by 8 or 3 3 by 8. Both are the correct answers. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the remaining problems in the playlist of 9th class maths.